everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Christy. Now listen, I am super excited that you are watching today because I am making a very, very fast meal. I mean, you can whip this up in like 5 minutes, no joke. And this is good for breakfast, for lunch, and even for dinner. And I'm using the incredible edible eggs. And as you know, eggs cook very, very fast. And they're very versatile. You can add a wide variety of ingredients to them. But what I'm making today is kind of a cross between a breakfast quesadilla and a breakfast burrito. And I'm calling this my tortilla egg roll. So let me show you just how to make them. All right, but first, I just want to say, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I do share delicious recipes every single week. And if you hit that little notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. But it is time to get cooking, so let's go. Okay, so I am just going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. And then just scramble these together. And I'm using a smaller non-stick skillet for this. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of olive oil to my skillet, probably about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to go ahead and add, I have some red peppers and green onion here that I'm going to add to my skillet. I'm just going to let these cook and saute just for a minute or so. Okay, so this is when it goes really quickly. I'm going to add my egg. And I'm just going to make the egg about the size of the skillet. To slice just some ham all around. Then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. And next I'm going to take a flour tortilla and place right on top. And that cheese and the egg will kind of glue this tortilla right onto my egg. All right. So next I'm going to take it and flip this over. And I'm going to let that tortilla crisp up on the other side. Okay, so once this is done, I'm just going to slide it onto a plate. And then I'm going to roll this up. Oh my goodness, just look at that. Ta-da. Just look at that. All right, did you see how fast it didn't take any time to make this? But I want to make another one, and I'm going to make a little bit of a different one. I just want to show you what all you can do with this. I'm actually going to use some sun-dried tomato pesto. And I forgot to mention that I am using my homemade flour tortillas, and I will give you the link for that. And I'm just going to spread some of this sun-dried tomato right onto my tortilla. Oh, this is going to be super yummy. And then cracking 2 eggs. Adding some salt, adding some pepper, and then scramble. All right, so let me get my skillet on. I'm gonna add my olive oil. All right, so I'm gonna add my egg. And again, I am using some ham. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I want some fresh spinach in mine. Some more cheese, and this is going to kind of glue this tortilla onto my spinach and my egg and my ham. This is my glue. And then I'm going to take this tortilla with that sun-dried tomato pesto and place on top. Just let that cook until the egg is completely cook through. All right, let's turn this over. Okay, and again, sliding it onto a plate. Look at this. Then I'm going to roll. Oh my goodness. And this gives you a nice crispy, like a quesadilla. Check this out. Oh my goodness. These tortilla egg rolls are amazing. I really hope that you give these a try. And you can use whatever you want, whatever vegetables. You can use bacon and sausage, onions and peppers, mushrooms, olives, whatever you want. You can just put into them and they are going to be fantastic. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes. I gotta make another one.